Setup of a pod. This is a Bluetooth module. This is a motor driver circuit. Over here we have used two motor driver circuits for running these 4 motors. This is Arduino. Over here in the front we have IR sensor for detecting the crack. Now for establishing connection between mobile phone and bot, we go to the 05. Message has been prompt, connection established. Now here it is asking you for the speed. Now please give the required speed. So here we have entered the speed 0.10 meter per second. Basic setup of pipeline. In this pipeline we have 2 cracks. As you can see over here, the first crack and the second crack. This is the start position. The first crack is at a distance of 30 cm from the start, and the second from here it is at a distance of 23 cm. We have already given a speed that is 0.10 meter per second. Now we will press the start button. Now as soon as we press the start button, the bot will start to move, and it has got stopped over the first crack, which is at the distance of 30 cm from the start position. And you can see over here it has detected the first crack at 0.29 meters. This is approximately equal. Now after the first crack, we go to the proceed button. Okay, once we press the proceed button, again the bot has detected the second crack, and it has prompted a message over here. You can see over here the crack has again been detected at 22 cm from crack number 1. See over here.